Hey everyone, welcome back to Karen Guy. Today we're taking a look at the 2026 new X52 Mini Drone, a professional-style quadcopter designed for beginners and casual drone lovers who want solid performance, easy controls, and 4K aerial recording without spending a fortune. Let's unbox it and see what the X52 Mini Drone can really do. Right out of the box, the X52 stands out with its mecha-style ABS shell. The body feels lightweight but tough thanks to its shatter-resistant protective frame, making it a good choice for beginners or indoor flying. With a diagonal size of about 39 centimeters and a total weight of just over 100 grams, this drone is easy to carry, easy to control, and durable enough for everyday use. It's available in red, white, and black, so you can pick the style you like. The X52 uses a 4-axis flight system combined with air pressure fixed height technology, which helps the drone stay stable in the air, even if you're new to flying. Basic movements include up and down, forward and backward flight, left and right flight, and smooth turning. There's also headless mode, which means you don't need to worry about the drone's orientation, perfect for beginners. With one-click takeoff, one-click landing, and one-click return, getting started takes just seconds. This drone features high-definition aerial photography with real-time Wi-Fi transmission, allowing you to see the live camera feed directly on your phone. You can take photos and record videos easily through the app, making it great for casual aerial shots, outdoor fun, or learning the basics of drone photography. The air pressure altitude hold helps keep the camera steady, which is especially useful when capturing photos or videos. The X52 Mini Drone is powered by a 3.7-volt, 750 mAh lithium polymer battery, offering around 8 to 10 minutes of flight time per charge. Charging takes approximately 90 minutes using USB, which is convenient whether you're charging from a power bank, laptop, or wall adapter. The remote control uses 4 AA batteries, which are not included. The remote control distance is about 100 meters, giving you enough range for backyard or open field flying. For safety, the drone includes emergency landing, low-scale beginner protection, propeller guards, and landing gear. These features help reduce damage during crashes and make the X52 more beginner-friendly. Inside the package, you'll find X52 drone, remote controller, spare fan blades, protective guard frames, landing gear, USB charging cable, screwdriver, phone holder, and user manual. Everything you need to get flying right away. The X52 Mini Drone is ideal for beginners learning to fly, kids and teens under supervision, casual users who want easy aerial shots, anyone looking for a durable entry-level drone. It's not meant for long-range or professional filmmaking, but for fun, learning, and everyday flying, it does the job well. Overall, the X52 Mini Drone offers a great balance of stability, durability, and ease of use. With its altitude hold, one-key controls, real-time camera feed, and protective design, it's a solid choice for anyone starting their drone journey. Thanks for watching Karen Guy. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Let me know in the comments, would you choose this drone for fun flying or learning aerial photography? See you in the next video.